Welcome to this guide on treasury management in decentralized autonomous organizations. In this video, we'll explore how DAOs manage their funds to ensure financial sustainability, security, and transparency. Let's dive into the essential concepts that keep DAO treasuries healthy and operational. DAO treasury management is the process of managing and allocating digital assets held by a decentralized autonomous organization. It ensures financial sustainability by funding day-to-day operations and supporting the DAO's strategic objectives. All of this is done through decentralized governance, meaning the community makes decisions collectively rather than relying on a central authority. The Treasury acts as the financial backbone of the organization, providing resources needed for growth and development. Effective treasury management rests on three core principles. First is security, which involves protecting assets through multisig wallets and audited smart contracts to prevent unauthorized access and hacking. Second is transparency, which means all transactions are visible on the blockchain, allowing anyone to verify fund movements and building trust among members. Third is accountability, achieved through member-driven governance and clear decision-making processes that ensure funds are used responsibly and aligned with the DAO's mission. Diversification is crucial for managing risk in DAO treasuries. DAOs typically hold a mix of different asset types. Native tokens are the DAO's own governance and utility tokens. Stablecoins like USD Coin and DAI provide reduced volatility and maintain purchasing power. Blue-chip cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin offer long-term value and stability. Finally, DAOs participate in DeFi protocols through yield farming and liquidity provision to generate passive income. By spreading assets across these categories, DAOs protect themselves from market volatility. Multisig wallets, short for multi-signature wallets, are a cornerstone of DAO treasury security. These wallets require multiple signatures from different authorized members to approve any transaction. This means no single person can move funds unilaterally. This approach provides enhanced security against theft and hacking attempts, while also ensuring shared control among trusted members. If one key is compromised, the funds remain safe because multiple approvals are still required. Several specialized tools help DAOs manage their treasuries effectively. Gnosis Safe is a popular multi-signature wallet platform that provides secure asset management. Llama offers analytics and treasury tracking, giving DAOs visibility into their financial performance. Parcel handles treasury payroll and expense management, making it easy to pay contributors. Snapshot enables off-chain voting for treasury proposals, allowing the community to participate in decision-making without paying gas fees. Together, these tools streamline treasury operations. Treasury decisions in DAOs follow a transparent, democratic process. First, a member submits a proposal outlining how treasury funds should be spent. Then, token holders participate in voting, either on-chain or off-chain, to approve or reject the proposal. If the proposal passes, smart contracts automatically execute the approved action, transferring funds or implementing changes without requiring manual intervention. This automated execution ensures decisions are implemented fairly and cannot be manipulated. DAOs employ multiple strategies to manage financial risks. Diversification spreads assets across multiple tokens and protocols to reduce concentration risk. Hedging uses derivatives to protect against market volatility and price swings. Regular security audits of smart contracts identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Maintaining liquid reserves ensures the DAO has funds available for emergencies and unexpected expenses. Together, these strategies create a robust risk management framework. DAO treasuries allocate funds across several key categories. Operations covers contributor salaries and project funding to keep the organization running. Marketing supports community growth and brand awareness to attract new members. Development funds protocol upgrades and new features to improve the DAO's products. Grants support ecosystem projects and partnerships that align with the DAO's mission. Proper budget allocation ensures resources are distributed effectively to achieve both short-term operational needs and long-term strategic goals. Let's recap the essential points of DAO Treasury management. Use multisig wallets and security best practices to protect Treasury assets from theft and unauthorized access. Diversify holdings across stablecoins, native tokens, and DeFi protocols to manage risk effectively. Implement transparent governance for all spending decisions to maintain community trust and accountability. Finally, monitor performance and maintain financial sustainability for long-term success. By following these principles, DAOs can build resilient treasuries that support their missions for years to come.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.